The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County in Florida until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Cottonwood, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Malone, Cottondale, Campbellton, Richter Crossroads, Jacob City, Jacobs, Ellaville, and Silve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Florida. You are listening.